Hi everyone, today I am giving you information on the topic history taking. This one is the history taking part 3, in which I will explain you that how to take the history of a patient and what is the method of writing the history of patient. So let's see what are the short forms which are required for taking the history of any patient. First one is C/O, which means complain of. Next one is H/O, history of. RE, right eye. LE, left eye. BE, both eyes. OD, ocular dexter, which is used for the right eye. OS, ocular sinister, which is used for the left eye. OU, ocular utuck, which is used for the both eyes. DOV means diminished of vision. RCU, routine checkup. BOV, blurring of vision. The DOV and BOV are one and the same things, diminished of vision and the blurring of vision. H/O, history of. KCO, non-complain of, about which complaint the patient is well known. For example, the patient have the systemic illness like diabetes, hypertension, thyroid, asthma. So these come under the KCO, non-complain of. First one is DM, diabetes mellitus. HTN, hypertension. RX, prescription. Current RX, current prescription, what currently the patient is using in the eyes. RA, rheumatoid arthritis. IHT, ischemic heart disease. SX, surgery. YRS, ears. FB, foreign body. U/L, upper lid. L/L, lower lid. CL, contact lens. PGP, previous class prescription or the present class prescription. Now these are the examples of some of the complaints. C/O, complain of redness in right eye since 1 week. We will write like this. This is the writing method. Next one is complain of pain in left eye since 2 days. Complain of diminished of vision with glasses. Complain of backside headache since 1 month. Complain of boil in the right eye, upper lid since 2 weeks. History of trauma to right eye with cricket ball. History of right eye cataract surgery done 2 years back. History of diabetes mellitus under prescription since 3 years. History of bypass surgery done 3 years back. History of diminished of vision left eye since childhood. History of spectacle using since 7 years. History of contact lens using since 5 years. We have to properly identify that what is the complaint and what is the history. In complaint, those things occur due to which the patient comes to hospital today, and in case of history, all these things come which are playing their role in the patient's life since a lot of years, since the past. So past includes the history and complaints decides the present situation of the ocular history of the patient. Next one is history. Sometimes it is need to be right, but mostly this part gets skipped. No history of any kind of systemic illness. Systemic illness, asthma, diabetes, hypertension, all these things are the systemic illness. So no history of SI, systemic illness. No history of trauma. There is no history of any kind of injury to the eye of the patient. No history of spectacle use. No history of contact lens use. Patient also comes for the different things like RCU, routine checkup. These are those patients who don't have any kind of complaint. So these comes under all these things. Routine checkup, patient come for the medical fitness. Patient want new glasses because the previous glasses get broken, lost, missing, and there are scratches on the glasses. Okay, so this was again the different purpose of the patient for coming which do not have any kind of complaint. Next one is the family history. History of glaucoma, history of retinal detachment, history of diabetes, history of color blindness. This is the family history. This was the end. Thanks for your patience listening.